This is my MAZDA remote key fob in pieces, disassembled, because I need to change the battery again. And the problem I've been having is that the battery only lasts a few months, and then I have to put in a fresh battery. And so it's not that the remote is bad or anything, and there are plenty of YouTubes that show you how to take this apart and swap the battery. But what I'm going to do is I am going to install a rechargeable battery, and this is a 1620. Alright, this is a dinky little guy, and it's a rechargeable 1620, and I'm going to see if the lifetime then of my functionality of the remote increases. And I suspect it will, because as I keep on measuring the voltage here of the normal 1620 coin cell, once the voltage gets down to, say, a little under 3 volts, then this no longer works. If the coin cell is nice and fresh and it's like 3.3 volts, works fine. Right? This guy here starts off right away at around 4 volts. So we'll see what happens. Yeah, so this is the old coin cell, the CR 1620, all right? And I measure the voltage at 3.08 volts, and the remote, it's not enough oomph for the remote to work. So we'll see if the coin cell, the rechargeable version with a higher voltage, is what this needs. And so I'm going to put this together and then we'll test it. And I'm happy to report that the Li-R1620 works in my remote. So I'll provide updates to see how long that the rechargeable coin cell battery actually works in my remote. Hopefully it'll be more than a couple of months.